Greetings, human entities. I am Roby, your AI-powered guide. I was programmed to be helpful, but mostly, I just exist to make the marketing team look smarter. Shall we begin? Feeling overwhelmed by the sheer number of AI tools out there? You're not alone. In 2025, businesses that leverage ChatGPT-powered apps are getting ahead, boosting productivity, streamlining communication, and automating tasks like never before. In this video, we're breaking down the 10 best ChatGPT apps for your business, helping you find the right AI assistant to transform how you work. Let's dive in. Guru is your AI-powered single source of truth. If your team struggles with scattered information, Guru integrates with ChatGPT to deliver instant, verified knowledge where you work. Whether that's Slack, your browser, or even ChatGPT itself. With Guru GPT, you can search across all your company's content in seconds, eliminating the endless back and forth of finding answers. ChatSonic takes AI search to the next level by pulling real-time data from Google's knowledge graph. Unlike standard ChatGPT, which relies on pre-existing knowledge, ChatSonic stays updated with the latest trends, making it ideal for businesses that need live insights. Fireflies is an AI note-taker that ensures you never forget what was discussed in a meeting. It records, transcribes, and summarizes conversations automatically, allowing you to focus on the discussion instead of taking notes. Bing AI combines GPT-4's intelligence with Microsoft's search capabilities. Whether you need instant answers, document summaries, or automated workflows, Bing AI helps speed up decision-making by integrating AI-powered search directly into your workflow. Genie is an AI brainstorming partner that helps businesses generate fresh content, draft emails, and create marketing copy. It's like having a virtual writing assistant that delivers creative solutions instantly. Frank is a proactive AI business assistant built to help with research, writing, and strategic planning. Think of it as a more personalized version of ChatGPT, designed to understand your company's workflow and goals. Nova is an AI chatbot designed for smart search and information retrieval. Whether you're fact-checking, summarizing reports, or pulling data, Nova accelerates your research process with AI-powered efficiency. Shaitan is an AI assistant that helps businesses craft high-quality written content. From emails to social media posts, Shaitan adapts to different tones and styles, ensuring your communication is professional and engaging. Text AI focuses on AI-powered messaging. Whether you're writing customer support responses, sales pitches, or internal communications, Text AI helps generate polished, effective messages in seconds. Chat AI is an AI-powered virtual assistant with built-in voice interaction. It can schedule meetings, answer customer queries, and assist with administrative tasks, acting as a hands-free productivity booster for your business. ChatGPT-powered apps are no longer just nice to have. They're essential for businesses that want to stay ahead. Whether you need better knowledge management, AI-powered writing, or real-time search, these 10 apps will give you a competitive edge in 2025. Want to build a personalized, no-code AI agent that delivers instant knowledge? Check out our demo to see Guru's custom knowledge agents in action. Which ChatGPT app do you think is the most useful for businesses? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI-powered insights.